I don't know. As I was trying to get by, I just be trying to let them know. But I get it. It's not your MO. Some of y'all don't want to hear it. Some of y'all just want to know that whatever is going on is going to get done quickly and you don't need to put the energy and time into it because what's the point? I'm over here trying to tell them that it's not going to be easy. You got to try again and try again and try again. But at some point, you do. You do get tired. And you pray. And you ask God to give you another opportunity. God, if this happens, give me another opportunity. God, if this happens, give me another opportunity. God, if this happens. And I know I shouldn't ask for it. I shouldn't be like, oh, just kill me. Like, why? Why would I say that? Don't say that. But you think it. Think it all the time, man. Think it all the time. You think, oh, well, what am I doing? What am I gonna do? Just like we told you before, if they hung Jesus and he was a good man, what makes you think they ain't gonna run you through the dirt? So just expect it. Yeah, you can be sad. Yeah, you can cry. But never act surprised. I keep your honest, that way I can feel a little bit safer. Sometimes people get scared when they see the phone. They won't mess with you. I think that's what I want. Go in them fluffy clouds. Just beautiful. I just want to say thank you for letting me talk to y'all. I don't always have much to say, but thank you. Where am I taking Houston Helping Hands? Well, I started off on Facebook, maybe at the beginning of the year. In all honesty, it's a platform, it's a space where you can ask. Stupid questions do exist, but you can ask them. Because we don't know. You don't know who needs a helping hand. And this is my city, so why wouldn't I be the one to offer it, you know? Oh, my down.